Have you found installing an inventory management system impractical or cost prohibitive due to the complexity and expense of wiring? What if I told you about new wireless devices that cut installation and wiring costs by up to 90%? And if that's not a game changer, what if I told you that there's an affordable solution to connect Modbus, HART, and 4 to 20 milliamp output sensors simply? You don't need an IT person on staff. You get real-time inventory monitoring on-site or remotely to the people who need it. Meet BinCloud. BinCloud delivers all that and more. Users access real-time information from wherever they are. You increase collaboration and productivity at a single plant or company-wide. Wireless networks install fast and deliver data where it is needed in just seconds. You boost efficiency. Wireless devices reduce cabling, making installation quick and easy compared to a wired network. Setup requires no special technical expertise. Data is protected behind a firewall to prevent attacks and hacks. Plus, there are no wires or cables to install or trip over. BinCloud extends your network to places in the plant that are not accessible by wires or cables. Networks can start small and expand in size with ease. Wireless systems are easily changed and reconfigured as your plant grows and evolves. These compact devices are inexpensive and require far less labor to install. Once installed, there's just a small annual data access fee based upon the number of sensors connected to the network. Now, meet the BinCloud family of devices. The LTR100 is a wireless long-range transceiver. It is used to connect analog sensors with a 2 or 4-wire 4 to 20 milliamp output to the BinCloud Gateway. For sensors using the HART protocol, the HART Consolidator Module, or HCM100, connects multiple sensors to the BinCloud Gateway. Up to 15 HART sensors can be wired using a daisy chain. The AEH Analog Input Expansion Hub accepts inputs from up to 16 analog sensors to a single AEH, which converts the output to Modbus 485 and sends it to a PLC, BinCloud Gateway, or Binventory. Whether used with the LTR, HCM, or AEH, the BinCloud Gateway's job is to send data from the HCM, LTR, or AEH to the cloud and deliver data to your PLC, Binventory, or BinView software. It's that easy to say goodbye to inventory guesswork and get online with a wireless network. Get started today with a call or email to BinMaster.